Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. I really respect the military. I'm an Indian and I really love my Jawans. Jawans is what we call our Indian soldiers. They give the country everything. They are stationed at the most volatile border on the planet, the Indo-Pak border. They die every day just so that people like me can make videos, people like me can stay safe. And I'm pretty sure it's the same around the world for every military out there, be it the US military, the Royal Air Force, Royal Marines, etc., etc., and etc. Now, we all live in democracies. Most of us live in democracies such as India, the US, etc. And people who live in democracies and people in general have a say in everything. They always have opinions. And that's fine, you can have your opinions, that's not at all an issue. And it's encouraged in democracies, it's freedom of speech. But the moment you cross that boundary where you go from constructive criticisms to blatant disrespect, that's where, you have just got to stop and think before you do something. And that's what we want to talk about today. But before we get into it, if you guys are new around here, do subscribe to the channel. We're going to be hitting 100 subs soon. But yeah, that being said, let's actually get into the video. Now, I've already hinted at what today's topic is going to be about, and I think the title would give it away. But if I have changed the title to something that's a bit more obscure, then a brief introduction would be that there is this celebrity going by the name of
Ekta Kapoor.
You might remember her from her beef with PewDiePie, but if you didn't, she's an actress in India and she normally stars in the TV series in India. Now, she wanted to appeal to a newer and younger audience, mainly the audience range, I think about 18 to 20 years, I guess, I'm not sure. And so she released this web series called Triple X2, and that's what sparked the absolute mayhem of a controversy. Now, the thing that sparked the controversy is the plot for the web series Triple X2. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below to the India TV article that I've referenced in this video so that you can all just read through it. Now, basically, long story short, it states that Triple X2 is based on the lives of army personnel. Now, normally when you hear that there's going to be a web series on army personnel, you think that it's going to be a biopic style or it's going to be on, let's say, covert ops such as Jack Ryan, etc. But no, this one is different. This just takes disrespect to a whole new other level. But let's go on. The producers and director have depicted that army men's wives are intimate with other men at home when their husbands are away serving on the borders.
What? What the fuck?
Can you see where the controversy comes in? So apparently this web series is supposed to appeal to us younger generation audience from the ages 18 and above. No, it doesn't appeal to me, sorry. Fuck no. I am not into shit where it depicts a person cheating on their spouses when they're away fighting for a country. No way. That's fucking insane. That is actually disrespectful. Now, many are quick to point out on Twitter and social media that, hey, this is actually the plot for a movie that was shot by Akshay Kumar back in the day called Rustom. It shows the story of a naval officer who's gone off to sea and the spouse cheats on him and then he comes back and takes revenge. But the difference between that and this web series Triple X2 is that Rustom was a biopic. This is not a biopic. This is a fucking web series that has a main goal set on appealing to younger generations. I don't understand how any sane Indian would feel compelled to watch such a web series. Now, to add more fuel to this fire, it states that Triple X2 also has scenes where uniforms of military men having symbols of Ashoka's status and Taj are torn apart.
What the fuck?
So let me explain real quick. The Ashoka status they are implying to, I think, is the Ashoka Chakra, which is the highest military honor you can receive in India, which can be compared to the Medal of Honor from the US military, where you recognize acts of valor. Now, these Ashoka Chakras are actually torn from the uniform in the web series. You can understand why I am pissed off and why many people are pissed off. Now, so far to my knowledge, Ekta Kapoor nor her producer or directors have actually said anything. If they have, do mention it down in the comment section and tag me the article where they have stated. But so far as to my knowledge, they haven't said anything to justify their acts. I know there is no way you can justify such an act, but if somebody can stoop so low to create such a web series, then they'll definitely defend it, saying that what they're doing is not disrespectful. So as of making this video, the Martyrs Welfare Foundation in India has actually lodged a police complaint against Ekta Kapoor and the producer and directors, I think, I'm not sure. But what's confirmed is they have lodged a complaint against Ekta Kapoor, where they are stating that this is very objectable and the scenes depicted must be removed from the web series. And until it's removed, the complaint will stand. So the police have given a statement saying that they are investigating the matter. At least something mediocre came out of the situation where a police complaint was lodged against this absolute moron of a person. Now, I'm pretty sure she's going to fight back saying that she did nothing wrong and stuff like that, because you can only expect something like that from a woman who went to war with PewDiePie because PewDiePie made fun of her. I'm pretty sure her response is going to be something like this.
It's my choice.
No.
No, it isn't your choice. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap it up over here. Let's see what happens. I will be making a response video to this situation as it develops. It's just a fresh situation because the police complaint has just been lodged. Let's see where it goes. Let's see if she does bring down the web series. But if you did enjoy this video, do drop a like. And if you're new around here, do subscribe to the channel. We are really close to 100 subs. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.